What's up, friends? Welcome to Namaste Vlogs. So, how are you all keeping, friends? So friends, it's still lockdown here, so you can go only in the 5 kilometers radius here. You can't go anywhere farther than that. So we have to just explore the place just near us. So that's all we can do. We could actually go around only in the 2 kilometers radius last week and all, but now they have eased a little bit. Now we can go 5 kilometers instead of the 2 kilometers. So let's go for a small road trip just near us here. You know, it's rural land. It's really beautiful here. You know, all the green scenery. You know, so my wife and my son are coming with me here. There's Richie there. So she's just going inside to get some sweets for the baby. When we are going out, you know, we'd always take something to keep him happy. And here's our lake. You know, we always go by this lake. This is like our own lake. You know, it's such an amazing place. We have seen this place before, so I'm not gonna stop here by. You know, you can see my earlier videos if you wanna see that. The road is really narrow here, so if any car, see there's another car coming. So if there is any car like this coming, you have to give side to them, or the other car will have to give side. So it's like a mutual understanding. Either one of them will have to give side, otherwise both will get stuck. You know, the road is so small. Anyway, look at the sky and the cloud. My God, how beautiful, isn't it? Really beautiful. I don't think this place is cultivable land. I mean, I don't think they're doing any agriculture here. It could be really bog land. But one thing for sure is that it's really beautiful to see. We have to be really careful while driving these small roads, because there could be somebody walking or some other car, any other vehicle might come on your way, and you won't be able to do anything if you're driving fast. My God, there's a rabbit there. Jesus. It is just as I told, like, you have to be careful. There's a rabbit on the road. I think this is called as a hare here. I don't know what's the difference between a rabbit and a hare. Yeah, can you see that? We're just zooming in a little bit, so it's a bit shaky. My God, he's running away from us. Stop there. Let us see you. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. This is the first time I'm seeing a wild rabbit or hare like this. Ah, damn, he's going out there. He's gone that way now. That road over there is the main road towards Clonberne, but we're not going there. We're just taking the road to Williamstown, but we're not gonna go to Williamstown at all. What we are doing is just driving on that road a little bit. I haven't gone to Williamstown yet, so let's just go and see how does the road look like. You know, it would be interesting. You know, this is something new. Yeah, let's just go. So far so good. It's nice. Oh, look at the trees. Beautiful trees. Nice. Everywhere you see is just the blue sky and the cloud and the empty field. This is again the bogland. You can see some houses. Did you see a boat there? You can see the turf there, those black things. So they are all lined up or stacked up there. So that's the turf. I think it's about to rain now, guys. To make it fast, look at the place. It's beautiful, isn't it? You know, turf again. Now this is a small hilly area. We get a better view from here. Okay, let's go up and see. Now we'll stop here and walk a little bit. Look at those flowers, beautiful flowers, isn't it? White flowers. Beautiful place altogether. There are some cattle. No, there are donkeys, yeah. I think they are donkeys. My god, beautiful creatures all around here. Let's just walk up and fly our drone and see the place. So let's just see it with our drone. It's a small drone and I'm not a good drone pilot as well. Yeah, let's see. It's beautiful. I didn't even get to practice this drone. The last time it got blown away and I didn't use it much, so just using it for the first time after that. Let's see, it's actually windy again today. Let's just see. I see the movement is not really good. Just show you around just quickly, and then when I learn this a bit better, I use this a bit more. Okay, all right, I think that's it.
Hi.
I think that's one of those benefits of living in the rural area, because even though it's lockdown, we can go somewhere. Anyway, when you live in the rural area, anywhere you go, there is something to see. So that's all now. So we're going back now. So thank you, my friends, for watching the master vlogs. So I'll see you on the other video next time. So if you like the video, please give it a like, and please like and share. Also, please do consider subscribing and press that bell icon too, so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Bye.